to my channel. Today we are cooking baked chicken with sauce. Are you ready? Let's go. Today I have soy sauce, oyster sauce, milk, pepper sauce, pepper sauce, pepper sauce, sesame oil, black sauce, pork powder, palm sugar. Okay. Today I have chicken 1000 gram, and I put the sauce, oyster sauce, black sauce, not too much nah, black sauce. I put little bit, pepper, and milk. Pork powder and palm sugar. You can put sugar, not palm sugar, it's okay. And I have to mix everything.
To make?
Mix. I have to mix everything. Okay. When I mix everything and I put in the fridge, 20 minutes. Okay. After 20 minutes, I have to put chicken in the fire. Wait for 40 minutes. Okay, after 40 minutes, I have to. Oh, you see, chicken. Very good smell. Okay. Finito. Okay. Okay, now time for eating. With the chicken very soft and taking everything is very good. I think when you hear me, I say everything good, but I don't write, and believe me, it's very good, very good. Yummy. Perfect. Okay, today everything is very good and very good day today. I hope you like my video. Thank you very much for watching. ขอบคุณค่ะ and if you like, please subscribe and like and share. Thank you very much. Bye bye. See you next video.